Your service.
ng mga
Kayan.
second year at
Kayan.
third year ngayon, haharapin ang mga hamon ng mundo at pagiging isang individual na meron kayong contribute. Again, welcome to the General Assembly. Welcome to the academic year. Naniniwala ko na ang taong ito ay magiging puno ng tagumpay at aral. Thank you very much and good morning.
Pila touchers out of thank you po.
Ari ah. Yeah.
Next up, we will call on someone who is not only a mentor, but a